All right, YouTube. One final clip for this on this wonderful Tuesday, February 3rd. Here comes this Escondido Disposal McNeillus ZR automated side loader garbage truck. Please excuse the sun being a little bit of a nightmare, YouTube. But it's already almost close to sunset. Whoa. That scared the fulanos out of me. I should. Alright. Flipping mosquitoes. Alright. Okay. I think the garbage man stopped. Ouch. Ow. Got a cramp on my foot. Yikes. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Holy fulanas. Yep. YouTube, how are y'all liking these Autocar ACX with McNeillus ZR bodies? How are you guys liking these zero radius garbage trucks? Should Edco Waste get the GS Products Collect Star CS9000 or the Durapack Python? Okay. Just a car. 3 minutes, 54 seconds and counting. Oh, fulanas. I still hear the engine idling. YouTube, should Adco Waste and Recycling Services get the new GS Products Collect Star CS9000? The Heil Python or the Heil Durapack Rapid Rail? Let me know in the comments. Garbage trucks of San Marcos, garbage trucks of Valley Center, garbage trucks of National City. This is for y'all. Five minutes and 30 seconds and counting. Whoa. Okay. Here she comes. Just had a little mechanical malfunction. They're putting away their trash cans. Yeah. YouTube, like my friend Alex always says, you know, the rapid rail garbage trucks, they're becoming rare nowadays because of the fact that, you know, some driver took one home. And y'all, let me know if they should be museum pieces. Okay. YouTube, I'm gonna pause, and when I pause, I'm gonna resume. Alright, YouTube, here is this amazing garbage truck that's about to come. Okay. At least that car went by when the garbage truck, well before the garbage truck came. Okay. YouTube, I'm gonna do a nice low angle shot. Well, nice. I like the hums. I like that humming sound of that garbage truck. Woo-hoo! Nice. Okay. Whoa! YouTube, my cheering demands the horn shows. At least there was no car that was gonna beat the garbage truck. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Woohoo! YouTube, let me know. Should First Gear do a replica of a Autocar ACX with McNeillus zero radius? Let me know in the comments bar below. Well, YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed this video of this amazing garbage truck. Let alone a straight haircut off that guy. I didn't expect that. There goes that garbage truck to the plant. Woo!